John. Sorry I'm late.
You're only 5 minutes late. That's actually early for you.
Hey, that's not true.
Okay, maybe not always, but sometimes.
Fine, I'll accept that. How are you?
I'm good. A little tired. I stayed up too late last night.
Watching something?
Yeah, videos. Just random videos. One video becomes 5, then 10, then suddenly it's 1:30 a.m.
Oh my gosh, yes. That happens to me all the time.
Phones are dangerous.
Actually, that's funny you say that.
Why?
Because yesterday, I didn't use my phone all day.
Wait, what? All day? Like 0?
0.
No way. I don't believe you.
I'm serious.
That's impossible. You love your phone.
I know. That's why I did it.
Okay, wait. Why did you decide to do that?
Well, I realized something. I check my phone all the time. When I wake up, when I eat, when I'm bored, even when I'm walking.
Same.
It started to feel unhealthy.
Yeah, sometimes I feel like my phone controls me.
Exactly. So I thought, what would happen if I don't use it for one day?
So you just turned it off?
Yes, at 10 p.m. the night before, I turned it off and put it in a drawer.
Wow, that sounds dramatic.
It felt dramatic.
Okay, so what happened in the morning?
That was the hardest part.
Really?
Yes, usually when I wake up, I grab my phone immediately.
Me too. Alarm, then messages, then news, then social media.
Exactly. But yesterday, I woke up and my phone wasn't next to my bed.
How did you wake up without an alarm?
I used a small clock, like a real clock.
A real clock? What year is this?
Hey, don't judge me.
I'm impressed. That's old school.
So I woke up and I just lay there.
Doing nothing?
Yes, and it felt strange, very quiet.
Did you feel bored?
At first, yes. My hand even moved to grab my phone, and then I remembered.
Oh, wow, that's like muscle memory.
Exactly. It scared me a little.
So what did you do instead?
I went to the kitchen. I made eggs and toast.
No YouTube while cooking?
No,
No music?
no.
That sounds quiet.
It was quiet, but also peaceful.
Hmm.
I actually noticed things, like the sound of the pan, the smell of coffee.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah, usually I don't pay attention. I just scroll and eat.
Same. Sometimes I don't even remember what I watched.
Exactly.
So, did you leave your house?
Yes, I went for a walk.
Without your phone. That's brave.
I know, I felt nervous.
Why nervous?
Because what if something happens? What if I need to call someone?
That's true.
But then I told myself, people lived without phones before.
That's a good point.
So I went to the park.
And?
I noticed so many things.
Like what?
The trees moving in the wind, kids laughing, a dog running after a ball.
You sound like a movie narrator.
I know, but it's true. Usually when I walk, I'm texting or checking something.
Or taking photos.
Yes, and yesterday I just walked.
So, be honest, was it difficult?
Very difficult around noon.
Why noon?
Because that's when I usually check messages.
Did people text you?
Yes, I saw notifications on my laptop later, but at that time, I didn't know.
Did you feel anxious?
A little. I kept thinking, what if someone needs me?
That's real. We feel responsible all the time.
Yes, but then I asked myself, is everything really urgent?
Probably not.
Exactly. Most messages can wait a few hours.
So, what did you do in the afternoon?
I read a book.
Wow, a real book?
Stop saying that.
Sorry.
Yes, a real book, paper pages.
Did you enjoy it?
Very much. I read for almost 2 hours.
2 hours? That's impressive.
Usually, I read for 10 minutes, then I check my phone.
Same. My attention is so short now.
Mine too, but yesterday, I felt focused.
That's amazing. Did anything funny happen?
Yes, actually, yes.
Tell me.
I wanted to check the weather,
Oh, no.
and I almost grabbed my phone. Then I remembered.
So, what did you do?
I looked out the window.
That's genius.
I know, and guess what? It worked.
You're kidding.
No, the sky was blue, so I knew it wasn't raining.
That's the old-fashioned weather app. So what about the evening?
I cooked dinner. No phone again.
No recipes online?
I used a recipe book.
You really traveled back in time.
It felt like that.
How did you feel emotionally?
Calmer, slower, less stressed.
Really?
Yes, my mind felt quiet.
That sounds nice.
So, after one day, what did you learn?
I learned that I use my phone when I feel bored.
That's honest.
And sometimes when I feel uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable?
Yes, like when I'm waiting in line or sitting alone in a cafe.
Oh, wow. I do that too.
It's like the phone protects us from silence.
That's deep.
Maybe. So, I don't think I could do it.
You could.
No way, I need my phone for work.
Okay, maybe not on a work day.
Maybe Sunday.
Yes, try Sunday.
But what about music? I love listening to music.
You can use a speaker or just enjoy quiet.
Quiet is scary.
Only at first.
Did anyone get upset because you didn't reply?
No, and that surprised me.
People understood?
Yes, when I told them later, they said, "That's cool."
That's nice.
I think we all feel tired of our phones sometimes.
Yeah, it's like we love them but also hate them.
Exactly.
Okay, I have to ask, when did you turn it back on?
At 10 p.m.
And?
I was excited and nervous.
How many notifications?
Too many. But you know what? Most of them were not important.
Really?
Yes, sales, random videos, group chat jokes.
So nothing urgent?
Nothing urgent.
So, would you do it again?
Yes, maybe once a month.
That's brave.
It's not about hating phones. I like my phone.
Of course.
But I don't want to depend on it all the time.
That makes sense.
Yesterday reminded me that life is happening around me, not only on a screen.
Wow, that's powerful.
I didn't plan to be so serious today.
No, I like it. It makes me think. Okay, I have a challenge for you.
Oh no.
Next time, one full weekend without your phone.
That's crazy.
See, it's harder than you thought.
Maybe one day at a time.
Fair enough.
What about you? Would you try one day?
Maybe, but I'll start with half a day.
That's okay. Small steps.
If I survive, I'll tell you.
Deal.
You know what's funny?
What?
We're talking about this, and my phone is right here on the table.
Mine too.
And it just buzzed.
Don't look.
I won't.
Okay, maybe just one quick look.
We're hopeless.
Maybe, but at least we're trying.
So guys, maybe try one day without your phone. Just one day.
Yes, and tell us how you feel.
It might be hard.
But it might be also peaceful.
See you next time.